Hi to all. Timebucks is one of the best survey websites that provides online jobs, which requires little or no experience. Timebucks is a great company. It is similar to Prize Rebel, but Prize Rebel is number one for a reason. Timebucks can be a little tricky at the beginning, but it is worth the time, and it is easy to earn. On average, surveys pay between $0.10 and $3. The best way to earn is by taking some of these surveys, your survey, tap surveys, whole fish surveys and other great survey opportunities. Just explore and decide yourself, what are the best surveys to take? This is not the same for every country. Some countries like US, UK, Italy and the rest of Europe have better opportunities, but this survey website is for everyone. You can earn with paid surveys, you can earn by watching videos, playing online games, installing apps, completing captures, clicks, push clicks, posting on social media, etc. Timebucks pays in cash and Bitcoin. As long as you've reached the minimum payout amount of $10, you'll automatically receive payment. There is no withdrawal button to click or points conversions to do. Simply set your preferred payment method in order to automatically get paid via that payment method when payday arrives. You can choose to be paid via Skrill, TransferWise, Payeer, Bitcoin, AirTM, Tango Card or via bank transfer. Timebucks says its users can earn up to $50 on their first day, plus $10 to $20 for each day afterwards. It is true. You can, but the amount you can earn depends on how much time you spend on the website. You can earn up to $90 a week, and you can receive great bonuses. You can also use your TikTok account and connect it with this survey web page. In that way, you can earn more extra money. Remember that even with small offers, you can earn good extra money. To become a member of the site, simply navigate to the Timebucks website and create a free account. It takes only seconds. Once logged in, you'll see a list of tasks available for you to complete, and the reward you'll be paid for doing so. When you complete a task, you'll be paid a reward into your Timebucks account. On these photos you can see payment proof. Link for registration is in the description of this video. I wish you all the best.